What's up YouTube? I hope everyone having a blessing day today. And on this video today, I'll be showing you how to program a keyless entry fob into your Pontiac G6 as well as other models and save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself. I call locksmith. They ask for around $200 for the fob keys and the program. It's kind of expensive, so I looked it up. I find a cheaper way and very good way actually. I'm gonna walk you through all the process step by step on how to do it. Alright guys, as you can see here, these are all the years and models of the cars that it's going to work the same way that I'll be showing you in this video on my car. Please check your car years and models before you purchase anything. On the right side, as you can see, this is how the key fob's supposed to look like for your car. And to make it easier for you guys, I'm going to leave all the years and models in the description down below with the link to it. So you can just go ahead and click the link and it will take you to the right fob keyless and you can buy it. And this video is not sponsoring by anyone. This is just my personal research. And I already programmed the fob keys. It's worked fine. It's been working absolutely fine. That's why I'm sharing this video with you guys to show you how to do it. I do recommend that you watch the full video step by step because it actually gave me a hard time to program it. It wasn't easy. I had to do multi steps to go through it, but it finally worked. That's what most matter. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm walking to the car right now. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Fadi Cardi. So first thing you're gonna do is you gotta lock the car. Make sure it's locked. When I read the instruction. Okay guys, so here is the box. What are you gonna find inside? You're gonna find the instruction right here. And then you're gonna find this adapter. That's the program, the keys program. And the fob keys, they're actually nice. It comes with a battery inside, so you don't have to worry about the battery. And then here it's the OBD extension. I do have one. I purchased it a long time ago. It's very helpful, especially right now. Instead of me just going with this, put it and then trying to figure out what number it works, I can just use the extension. I'll show you in a second. So here, before you do anything, before you go purchase anything, this procedure required one working keys. So if you don't have this keys or this keys, it doesn't turn on your car, unfortunately it's not gonna work. But if you have one key works, so that should be fine. And let's start with the procedure. Right, so now you gotta go and look for the OBD, which is you'll find it right over here. Very easy. Just plug it. If you don't have the extension, just plug the adapter right away. And then, as I said, lock the car, make sure it's locked. And then here, as you can see, ACC, and keep it here on the on position. Do not turn on your car. And then any lights in the car, make sure it's off, because for some reason it required a good power to the car to be able to work. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go through the instruction. So this is the model and the cars that it works on it. As you can see here, I have some Buick, Chevrolet, like the Pontiac, Saturn. So mine, it's 29. I'm sorry, 27. So as you see, Pontiac G6, it works from 2005 to 2010. And if you can see here, guys, so the G6 2005 2006, you gotta use number 3. So that means this adapter, you gotta put it here on number 3. But mine 2007, so that is gonna say is number 1. So that's what you're gonna first use, and it's number 8. I'll come to back later. So here's the adapter on number 1. Make sure the key's on position. Do not turn the car. You come here and then you plug it. The first you hear this sound means it's active. And then this other sound means the car is ready to be programmed. So what you gotta do, this is the fob keys. You hold the lock and unlock button for 15 to 20 seconds. So after you're done holding it, simply just turn off the car or turn off your ignition, and then start the remote, and it should work. For me, it didn't work. So what I did, I unplug it, and then I plug it back again, and then you can see, as I said, number 8. So you're gonna first try number 1. If it didn't work, try number 8. So I went to number 8, and also did the same procedure, and unfortunately it didn't work. So the last thing that I went for, I almost kind of give up, is you gotta turn on your car for at least 5 to 6 minutes, because in the instruction it says if it didn't work, turn on your car, make sure you have a full power. So I did this, and after 6 minutes I turn off the car, on position, unplug it and plug it back again. You hear the first beep, and then the second one, you start the program, lock, unlock. I hold it honestly for like 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, I turn off the ignition, and it works absolutely fine. Lock, everything. And here's the keys. Looks good. Try it out. It's all working. Here. And the remote start as well. It's working absolutely fine. Hey guys, I hope this video helped you. If it does help you, help me out by liking this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers ASAP. That'll be grateful. Also, the part or the adapter, the key fob that I purchased, I'm gonna leave it down in the description below. This is the original one. It's not that expensive. Go check it out. Make sure you get the one that I got, because there's few of them on Amazon. and then I read some reviews. People say it's not working, it's not good. So I did look it up for the original one, the best quality one. So it's in the description down below. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.